My name is Dan Goldwasser. I'm an associate professor of computer science at Purdue University. Language is the means for human communication. You can think about politics and more specifically the democracy as depending on the ability to communicate ideas, understand them, and to encourage citizen participation in the governance process. Language is at the heart of that. Natural language processing is a sub-area of artificial intelligence. Like the name suggests, it deals with natural languages that are languages that humans speak, such as English, French, Chinese, and so on. The field studies how can computers deal with such languages, and that could mean different tasks, such as understanding their meaning, generating new texts in response to different prompts, and so on. One of the main problems that we have right now is information overload, that so much information is put out there. One of the things that NLP can help with is in processing that language and providing better options, providing better representations for the options for the public. A lot of these policies, a lot of the proposed legislation is written in legalese, in language that is not directly accessible to the public. Being able to build or having a system that can help decipher what this intended policy actually means, what kind of implications it will have on different segments of the public, on different professions, can help people form more informed views. The kind of things that we're doing right now is to look at the entire legislation and create a succinct summary that actually helps identify who will be impacted, whether it will be a positive impact by providing more funding or providing more sort of freedom to implement different decisions, or whether they're going to be negatively impacted. And we try to also, a more advanced version of that we're currently looking at is to try to think about it in an interactive way, that people can ask specific questions that interest them about this legislation, and the system can try to identify the implications. There are a lot of concerns about the use of artificial intelligence and specifically NLP. One of the concerns that is, it's shared across all of AI, but specifically it is concerned with large language models, is that these systems are not trained through dedicated teams of experts carefully picking data, but rather they're trained over massive amounts of text that are publicly available. These texts capture many good things like scientific knowledge, common sense inferences, and so on, but they also capture the kind of biases that exist, unfortunately, in our society.